Hello everyone, my name is Anis with CyneWorx Technologies and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today, as you guys can see, I'll be talking about Microsoft Windows 11 Home. It's pretty much the same setting in Windows 7, 10, 11, you know. So and this video is about, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall or remove software from your Windows machine. It can be laptop or a PC, personal computer, okay, desktop. So first of all, you need to go here on the taskbar, just click on this search, and here just type control panel. Okay, go to control panel and search for programs and features right here. But you have to be very careful. You don't want to uninstall anything by mistake, which can, create problem for you, or can, corrupt your window or some other issues. So you have to know exactly what you're doing. And if you don't know how to remove software, just do your research or talk to someone who has more experience in the field. Okay, so like for example, these are all the applications and software installed in my PC. Okay, so this is the name of the application, this column, and this is the publisher, like who's the owner of this application. So for example, on the top I have Microsoft Visual C++. It's Microsoft Corporation, installed on January 28th, 2022. And this is the size and version information. Okay, I have this Wireshark, and the owner of this application is the Wireshark developer community. Okay, like this one. So for example, I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, so I'm gonna check this box or just click on the application, and it's the owner of this publisher is Ice Cream Apps. So I'm just gonna uninstall it and reinstall it back, but I want to show you guys how you guys can uninstall software from your Windows machine. So I'm going to click on it, uninstall, and it's going to ask for my permission. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And I'm going to click yes, and it will start uninstalling. Okay, are you sure you want to completely remove Ice Cream Screen Recorder and all of its components? Say yes. Okay, and next, uninstalling Ice Cream Screen Recorder. It will take just a few seconds. Depends on the size of the application or software. It will take just a few minutes, few seconds to few minutes, or sometime even more. Okay, so got this confirmation message that Ice Cream Screen Recorder was successfully removed from your computer. Okay, so I'm gonna say okay, and if I have to remove something else, I would just do it right away, or if that's the only thing I want to remove, and that's it, I can just close this control panel. All right, so that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I upload a new video, you guys get the notification right away. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you.